In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert long format YouTube videos into multiple high quality shorts very quickly using AI. And as always, if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, getting on with the video. So YouTube Shorts are an amazing way to get more views and increase the exposure to your channel. But the problem is I'm not a massive fan of making them. I enjoy making full length, like traditional YouTube videos that are uploaded to my channel. That's what I enjoy making. I don't enjoy making shorts quite as much. And I also don't have enough time to kind of go through all my YouTube videos and create separate shorts because I'm working a full-time job and this is just a hobby. So if you're in a similar situation to me where you enjoy making long format YouTube videos and you just want some shorts created from that long video that you can upload to YouTube as well, but you don't want to spend loads of time creating these shorts, this is the perfect video for you. So I did some research and looked for ways of creating YouTube shorts from these long format videos quickly, and I found a website that uses AI to create shorts from the long videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create shorts using AI from long format videos so you can upload them as shorts to your YouTube channel and help your YouTube channel grow. So what I'm going to do now is switch to my laptop view and we're going to have a look at the AI app that I use to create shorts using my long format videos. So yeah, let's go. So this is the website I've been using to create AI shorts and it's called Opus.Pro. So I'll put a link to this in the description below. So as you can see, this is my profile and I'll run you through how it works and the kind of results that I get from this website. This is a paid app, so I think you can get, there is a trial that you can use, but I've started paying for it just because I've been using it a lot and I think it was about £19 a month, which is quite steep, but it does save a lot of time. And if anyone knows any better AI apps for creating shorts, be sure to leave them in the comments section. I have just been using this because it's been working for me. So I'm not sponsored by this website, I'm just showing off how I create my shorts. So this is what the dashboard of Opus.Pro looks like. You can paste YouTube links at the top, we'll get onto that in a second. So this works best as it tells you here for like podcasts, educational videos, commentaries, product reviews, and motivational speeches. And there are certain types of videos that don't work very well with this AI, and I'll show you. So what we do is, so I'll just give an example. Just go to my YouTube channel, click on this Pixel 7 Pro review. So what I'll do is I'll click on the link, copy the link into this website, like that. An 8-minute long video, so that will use 8 minutes of my credit. And here we go. So what we have is, do you want to create shorts from the whole length of the video? You can drag if there's only a specific amount of the video you want to use. I want to use the whole thing. And then you can choose how long you want the clips to be. So I know for YouTube Shorts, you want them to be less than a minute. So I'm going to click less than 30 seconds and between 30 seconds and a minute. And you can put keywords kind of like to focus the shorts on. I've not really used this. I just let the algorithm create whatever it thinks. So once you've decided how long you want the shorts to be, you can scroll back up to the top and then click Get Clips in one click. Click that. And then what will happen is it will start processing the video. This can take anywhere from about 5 to 15 minutes. So you don't need to leave this screen open. You can just click off of it and then come back to the video when it's processed. It should send you an email when it's done. So if you could go off, do something else. And then come back when it's been processed. So I'm now going to move on to some videos that I've already processed so we can have a look at the sort of results that we get from it. So as you can see, it says it's processing the video at the moment. It's going to be roughly about 6 minutes before it's done. So here are a list of the videos that have already been processed. As you can see, 2 of the videos have failed, and the reason these have failed is because it doesn't, these videos don't have any dialogue in them, and the algorithm couldn't really make any shorts out of them because it uses the speech to kind of work out what's going on in the video and then kind of create appropriate shorts. And what I found is about 50% of the shorts that it creates are good and worth uploading. Let's click on this Xbox Series X versus Series S video. Yeah, so if you just scroll down, it's created six different shorts from this one video. Two consoles is the price. If you want the full-size Xbox Series X, this retails for about $450. So what this will do is it will create a YouTube short in what this algorithm deems to be an interesting part of the video. Really all this does is it chooses parts of the video that it thinks are interesting and then adds subtitles, so reframes the video. So it's quite basic, but it does create some decent shorts. And then you can click this edit button you can just edit parts of the clip if you want to change like the font or the positioning of the subtitles. And then once you've finished editing, you can then, if we were to go back, click the download button and it downloads just an MP4 file of that short that you can then upload to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, which is very cool. So this AI app isn't perfect. I assume it's going to get better with time, the more people use it and it kind of learns what's good. And as I showed you earlier, it doesn't work with all videos. Some videos it just can't create shorts from because there's not enough dialogue in them. Yeah, and the other thing is the price. £19 a month for this is a little bit steep, so you have to kind of be serious about creating these shorts to kind of justify it. It would be nice if there was a free alternative, which there might be. I'm not aware of that, but if you know of any, be sure to pop that in the comment section. But yeah, so at the moment this kind of does what I want. It creates shorts from the full-length YouTube videos quite easily, so you don't have to spend loads of time doing it. Hopefully this video has been useful. If you did enjoy, be sure to hit that like button. We're aiming for 10 likes on this video, and hit the subscribe button if you did enjoy, and I'll see everyone in my next video.